from Terry Family Adventures reporting from Lower Yosemite Falls. Woo! Woo! This is the photo I have always wanted.
Welcome to Yosemite Falls.
That is magnificent. I have wanted this for years. This is the shot and nobody's here. Nobody's here. I can't believe it. This is awesome.
Yosemite Falls is the highest waterfall in Yosemite National Park, dropping a total of 2,425 feet from the top of the upper fall to the base of the lower fall. Located in the Sierra Nevada of California, it is a major attraction in the park, especially in late spring when the water flow is at its peak. Several trails are available to hikers. The most challenging hiking trail leading to the top is about 3.6 miles long. The most popular and easily accessible trail begins at the bridge near the bottom of the lower falls.
Woo! Look at that! Oh my gosh! Feel the power, the mist! Feel it! Feel the power! Oh my God, it is amazing. It is amazing. Hold on a second. We're gonna go to the bridge. We'll be right back. Oh, hey, we're back. We're back. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Nobody is here. Nobody. Just before dark, this place is filled all the time. Nobody. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. It is amazing. It is amazing. Look at that! Woo! I love it! That is powerful! Oh my gosh, that is amazing! Amazing! Want to get closer? Let's get closer! Woo! You can hear that wind! Oh my gosh, that is amazing. It reminds me so much of Niagara Falls. Obviously not the amount of power, but oh man, it's amazing.
Are we crazy for this? It's freezing right now. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Dustin's so excited, he loves waterfalls. This is awesome, everybody. If you have never been here, come here. And I recommend doing it early in the morning or later in the night because nobody's here. Absolutely nobody. It's awesome. It is awesome. I'll see you guys when we get up there. Look at that! It's really bad.
This is Maddie and Dustin from Terry Family Adventures reporting from Lower Yosemite Falls. Woo! Woo! Words can't even explain this right now. I am literally sitting on a park bench, waiting on Maddie to go to the bathroom, and there's nobody here. Nobody. Just mesmerized by these spectacular falls. Upper, middle, lower, going full force. Oh, it's a beautiful view. Words can't explain it. I don't even think this video can explain it. You guys got to get out to Yosemite and see this for yourself. It is breathtaking, beautiful.
We came here as the sun was setting, and we were so grateful to experience Yosemite Falls all by ourselves. We recommend taking time to visit Yosemite Falls if you are around the area.